My name is Emmanuel, and welcome to Happy Day! Please watch the first video of my Hot Wheels. If you already watch it, please watch this. Okay, now let's watch. Just the first.
Wow, Emmanuel, what is this? You got from Toys R Us?
Yes.
The latest Volcano Blowout! Oh! By Hot Wheels.
And there's a CD.
CD? Oh. Okay, man. Not too bad. Right.
Now let's see the another set.
Whoa! This is the off-road collection. And it's a 5-piece pack.
And this side.
Not too bad. You can capture it and play it on your iPad Hot Wheels game. Cool.
And this.
Wow, this is the latest ice shredder.
And this can teleport.
Wow, what is this? The twin induction. It's green in color, your favorite.
Same.
Wow, again you can play on iPad.
And this is also the same one.
This is the Bedlam. Wow.
Ah.
This is Praying Mantis. It's like Praying Mantis.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the buzzard. The buzzard seems so
Scary.
Why? Why is it so?
Powerful.
It's a razor blade in the middle of its bonnet.
And what's this?
Again, it's for iPad.
Okay, it's done for now.
Let's draw what. So what we're gonna do?
Let's open it.
Alright.
This sticker is
You're gonna open the buzzard first?
yes.
Alright. Slow and steady. Buzzard. Oh. The razor, you can see it underneath the car as well. So when it moves,
Put here.
alright.
There's this. The big ones.
The Bedlam. I think it looks like a bed. That's why it's called a bed.
There's a big.
There's a bed?
Yeah.
Sure.
There's a big here.
Oh, it's so you can sleep if you want to.
It's too small for me. If I'm small, I can. Big love.
Oh. Bed. Okay, let's put the Bedlam beside the buzzard.
And the praying mantis.
Praying Mantis. Oh, this is a troublemaker. It's a menace to everybody.
I can.
Did you just push it up from here? It's easy.
Really good eating.
Oh, it looks like a praying mantis.
And it has wings.
Oh, like
Yes.
a praying mantis can fly.
Wings. Ice shredder.
Ice shredder. Why isn't this not green?
It's a car. It's an ice.
Okay. Blue.
Yes.
And yes, 2 drivers in this car.
No, 4.
4? No, it's 2, I think.
1.
Oh, 4. Oh no, is it 3? Oh, it's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Okay.
You better keep the box so you can play the game.
Oh. What's this one?
This need the name.
What's this car?
It's the twin.
Oh, it's the Trak-Tune. Alright. Okay.
Now let's open the 5 sets. Let's try this side. Twin. Twin is my favorite too. Okay, here we go. This kind.
Okay.
Not my favorite. This is
Let's see what are the names of the car. This one is called Duck Car.
that car.
Dakar. Alright, Dakar. You see the names are all here. Hyperliner, Tread Shredder, 2008 Lens Evolution, Trak-Tune, and Dakar. This one is, let me see what is it. Trak-Tune.
Trak-Tune is my favorite.
I think it plays music.
There's the music here.
Oh, one is called Trak-Tune. This one it's let me see what is it. 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, and this one it's Hyperliner. So this one, I know what's his name. It's called Tread Shredder.
Now let's open this set.
Alright, this is the latest
Set.
Volcano workshop. You can use this and assemble and together with other Hot Wheels track, right?
Yes.
And you can combine.
And there's a Hot Wheels here.
Okay, man. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up.
You need the batteries
Okay, we need to have some batteries.
and screwdriver.
All right, bring it there. I need 3.
Just the screw.
Okay, the instructions.
And the volcano.
Volcano.
Track. It's weather.
What is this? What is this?
It's a volcano.
Okay.
How
Let's
to
do it.
push it?
Let's do it. Okay, instructions. Some stickers.
The stickers are volcanoes.
Okay.
There's a 1 first and 2 and 3.
First, we need to unscrew this. We just try to put the car inside here. Okay, let's just get, what is this?
Twin.
Trak-Tune.
Yeah.
Okay, over here. No, this one. You have to enter from the arrow. You see the arrow?
Yeah.
Okay, just push it in. See what happens. Oh,
Nothing happened.
yeah. No, you have to drive through twice. Then the thing will. You have to drive through 3 times, and the thing will erupt. This is the. Okay, let's just do a second time. Okay, push it in first. No. And then. Wait. Let's just do it. Eh? This is. Let me just do it.
Then now
Push it in, push it in. Second time. Okay. Last time. Oh! Saw that? 3 times and the volcano will erupt. And the volcano explodes. Let's just try it one more time.
maybe you should
Put the
do
lava
it
balls
on the
inside.
track.
Okay, let's just put it inside.
Wait, you're supposed to push.
Push it in really. Come. It's in really. It's in really. It's in really. Come. It's in really.
No. See, I push it.
Oh, okay. I missed it. Okay. Let's line up 3 cars. 1. Let's get an evolution.
Can we put it on the track?
This one it's a bit hard to go onto the
No,
track.
not this track. Downstairs.
Which track?
Wait, I show you.
Oh, this one is a bit hard. Come, let's just do it. Yeah.
Let me show you. Wait,
Let's just do it.
wait, I show you. I show you.
Oh, okay. Now I know what you're talking about. Okay. Alright. Can we do this? Can we link in?
Yeah. Wait,
Okay, I
let
tell you
me.
what. No, I know what. Do we lift this out? Okay, I'm gonna put it in. Okay. Let's just throw 3 cars down the ramp and see what the volcano can do for you. This is the line up 3 cars. 3 favorite cars. Okay, first up, Praying Mantis. How about this?
No, this.
Okay, this one is what? Trak-Tune. And this is Induction. Okay, bring it on. First one. Oh no, miss!
That's fun. How to volcano to me.
Let's tighten it. Let's tighten it. Okay. First up. 1. Okay. Second one. 2. Third. Twin induction.
Now your turn.
No, this is the final one. Come on, bring it on. Oh! The volcano explodes. Okay, that's all. Want to say bye-bye?
Or maybe you should show that all the castles. Another color. Look at them.
All right.
Twin induction. Twin Mantis. Okay, never mind.
This one is Trak-Tune.
Okay.
Okay, come. 3 more cars and let's do it one more time. One last round. 3 cars.
Oh God.
Okay, come. Let's look right it down.
This one was way.
That's all for me and Emmanuel. Have a last joyride before you sleep.
Pushing. Bye bye. Okay, see this car is so nice. I need not a Titan motorbike. See? It's still working. Bye bye.